Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I am going to be removing my facial hair with Nair hair removal cream, which I have used before and I'm going to use again today for you. This contains argan oil for sensitive skin, and the Nair hair removal is designed to gently remove hair from below the surface of your skin, and this leaves it feeling silky smooth for a much longer. Plus you can avoid stubbly regrowth as hair grows back finer and softer. So this will, yes, your hair will grow back finer and softer, as I have used it several times before, and I can tell you that my hair does not grow back any thicker. So this is a close-up of the side of my face, and as you can see, well, as you can just make out there, I've got fine hairs along the side of my face, starting from the ear, and it goes all the way down to my chin and upper lip area. So those are the areas I'm going to concentrate on today. So this is the bottle it comes in. It costs just under £5, and before using, make sure your face is clean and free from any creams or makeup, etc. Okay, I'm now going to apply a thick layer on the side of my face using the built-in brush and leave on my face for about approximately 3 minutes. So you don't want to go over 3 minutes if you've got sensitive skin, as this can cause a rash on your face. So the maximum you can leave it on for is 5 minutes, but if, as I mentioned before, if you've got sensitive skin, I would recommend leaving it on your skin for only 3 minutes. I've only just concentrated on doing one side of my face first. That's how I tend to do this. That's the way I do it. I mean, you might want to apply it on both sides, but to be on the safe side, I just concentrate on doing it on one side of the face first, wipe it off after 3 minutes, and then do the other side of the face. So I've left it on for approximately 3 minutes. I'm going to remove with a face towel. Now let's take a closer look, and as you can see, it has removed my facial hair. It's done a brilliant job at removing my fine hair, and I will use this again. I'm now going to apply on the other side of my face, and again apply a thick layer and leave on the face for approximately 3 minutes. If you've got tougher hair, then apply it for 5 minutes, but if you've got sensitive skin, then less than 5 minutes. So never guess the time, always use a watch, and because the last time I guessed the time, I accidentally went over the time just a few minutes, and it did burn my skin slightly. It did leave a rash. If you do feel any stinging on your face, then I would recommend running the face towel in cold water and then holding it onto the face to relieve the pain. I wouldn't recommend applying any creams straight away, as this could make the stinging worse. It could irritate the skin. I'm going to apply almond oil to help soothe the skin, and this is an all natural almond oil. It doesn't contain obviously any chemicals, so it's not going to irritate my skin. So just apply that all over the face. And I don't have to use almond oil. You can use other oils like olive oil and jojoba oil, and also coconut oil as well. And I will be using this again in 3 or 4 weeks when the hair grows back. So it's not too bad, is it? That's it for this video. Please, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.